Good morning, my name is John of cookingwithjohngruber.com and I wanted to say thank you for joining me. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you a recipe called a sweet pea pizza. I'm kind of hesitant on sharing this recipe with you because it's something that I eat either for breakfast or as a snack. It probably sounds a little bit different, but it is also delicious and works great. For, like I said, the breakfast, if you wanted something sweet for breakfast, or if you wanted, instead of something savory, same thing with a great kind of like craving killer for your snack. Now you can see I have my toaster with me, and yes, it's going to be a demonstration as well. I know there was a couple videos back that I said that if you don't know how to make toast, you have problems, but in all seriousness, it is part of the steps for this particular video, so I'm going to be showing it to you today. So there is very little to this particular recipe. In fact, all that you need is a piece of toast, either a sugar-free jam or a light sugared jam, and peanut butter if you choose. I do like the no sodium or the no salt added peanut butter. Honestly, it tastes just as good, kind of better than the just regular peanut butter. So I do like a no salt added peanut butter. Instead of the no salt peanut butter today, I'm going to be using tahini, which is a toasted sesame butter. You can use any seed butter that you like, or even nut butters like almond, what are they, sunflower seeds, cashew butter. Any of those will work for this recipe. And then, like I said, a diet jam. Now in this case, I have some leftover cranberry sauce that I had made. It is homemade, and it is made with some orange peel, the cranberries obviously, a touch of sugar, and then also some Japanese 7 spice just to give it a different flavor. And it's going to be perfect for this because I'm also going to top it with about 1 ounce of shredded mozzarella. I know that sounds really like an odd combination, but I can tell you that it is delicious, and it is something that I eat here at the house, especially if I want tea and like toast and tea in the morning. Then this is usually my go-to recipe for this. So let's give this a try. Now I'm going to be using my toaster. As you see, funky toaster. Thank you, Jen Air, for making these way back when. And so I'm going to put the toaster down, set it to a medium heat, and push the start button. All right, now I'm making toast. It's your turn. And my toast is done for what we're going to do in the next step. It is nice and lightly toasted. I don't want it too dark. I don't like dark toast for this particular recipe. So again, as I said, I'm going to be using some tahini. It is something that you're either going to have to stir well and blend well. Usually I like to keep mine in the fridge, but not always the best idea. Sometimes if you use it fast enough, you can just leave it in the cabinet. There's nothing saying that please refrigerate, to my knowledge. I don't see anything in here that says so. So a little bit of the tahini. Use more or less depending on what you're using. If you're going to be using peanut butter, just go ahead and glob that on. Okay, spread it about. Looks really delicious. Looks like a good amount on there. And the reason why we're toasting it is we want it's going to soften a little bit when it's in the oven, because I am going to put this in the oven. You don't have to. You can pop it in the microwave if you wanted to. The next thing I'm going to do is add my cranberry sauce. I'm just going to get a second spoon for that. Thought I was going to do it all one, but I can't. Okay. So again, with the cranberry sauce, it's just homemade. It had some oranges in it, and I'm not going to be using too much, but it has a nice bite to it. You know, the bitterness from the cranberries just goes so well with like a peanut butter sort of taste, the sesame seeds here. And then finally, I'm going to top it with the cheese. Now, I just kind of cut these into small little pieces. I didn't shred it like I normally do. If you know me, I always buy brick cheese or brick versions and then just shred it myself. All right, come on. It's taking me forever to make this morning. That's okay. Good food is worth the wait. Now, as I said, you're going to be rather surprised with the outcome of this. It's just a nice different kind of like if you like peanut butter and jelly or peanut butter toast. This is a great little recipe. Watch my other recipes for the ultimate peanut butter sandwich. That one was a lot of fun to make for you guys. All right, so there it is. It's just cheese tossed on top of everything. I'm gonna pop this under the broiler on high, or if you want to have it like bake at 400, you could do so. Just put it on a oven safe pan. That way it doesn't drip or burn anywhere. And I will be right back. Okay, so it spent maybe, maybe 15 minutes under the broiler just to get the cheese to melt and brown a little bit. Now, you can use like a full slice of cheese and just put it on top if that's easier for you. Again, I always buy just a brick of cheese or a block of cheese or a big round bit of cheese or a wedge of cheese that I'm always either grating or slicing. So that is the option that I had, and you can cut this any way you want. You can cut it corner to corners to make 4 little pieces, almost like a pizza. Like I had said, I'm probably just going to cut this in half. I made myself some herbal tea, and this is going to be my healthy breakfast. Oh, until then, I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.